Get ready, people. 3i Atlas, unless they push the date. It's supposed to some crazy stuff is supposed to happen tomorrow. Everyone, head for the hills, man. Head for the hilltops. Head for the caverns, man. Head for the going high in underground bunkers. Ain't nothing gonna happen. They show a lot of crap, a lot of fear mongering, and I mentioned this to you guys before. You know, in my dad's truck when I was a young one, I used to because I used to go to work with him for fun. You know, it was great. He taught me some stuff, but I used to listen in the early, I think it was like the early 90s, mid 90s, around there. I think it was the early 90s. I used to listen to it in a truck. I was like 12. I think it was like, what, 10 maybe at that point? 11? I used to listen to it on the radio. How there was an interstellar comet that was going to crash into Earth in a year. That's what? We're talking 92, 93, I think. And now we're in 2025, and they're rehatching this whole thing again, where this thing goes around the sun, go through Mars and Venus, and then it's gonna attack Earth. It is such crap. Nothing's going behind anything. You're gonna go to bed tonight. Well, depends on where you are, because I can guarantee that most people are already on October 30th. There are people, countries ahead of myself that are already on the next day. And no one's reporting anything. So, yeah, this thing is a load of hogwash. Well, anytime they ever mention space and they start showing you CGI clips, I don't get people. It's either people are really stupid, they're bots, or they're trolls. And usually it's bots that are like making everyone freak out. No one in my city cares. We're just going on with life as usual. That's what you're supposed to do. Not to worry about that. Like last night, as an example, they're saying that 3i there was near the constellation Orion. And it's becoming winter here. So Orion, I can see that thing around, I think, 8 o'clock at night, 9 o'clock at night. So I decided, okay, I'm gonna run over to where the window is. I'm gonna maybe go on the outside and see if I can see anything because of the reflection in the window. Nothing. And apparently it's visible to the naked eye. It's hogwash. Anyway, guys, you'll go to bed, you'll wake up, then you'll go to bed, and you'll wake up. It'll be October 31st. Nothing happened. Peace.